Hello everybody! Today we'll see and test an Amazon warehouse used like new item will come in the original packaging. So in this package are two Powerextra EN-EL14 batteries with a charger. Now let's go ahead and open up the package by of course pulling off and ripping off that strip to reveal the package inside, which is the Powerextra EN-EL14 rechargeable batteries with a charger. So giving you a look at the condition of the original packaging. So you can see that it does have the Amazon warehouse round sticker on it. And just taking a look around the packaging so you can have a look at the condition of this used like new item will come in original packaging from the Amazon warehouse. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the box by of course cutting apart the clear packing tape or sticky tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. And of course let's pull out that tab and lift up the box flap to reveal the contents inside. So taking a look, we can see that the items do look new. And let's set them on the tabletop so you have a clear and full view of the items from this Powerextra box packaging. So that's the box emptied. We can close it back up. And just going to set the box to the side. So right there is the original box packaging and the items across the tabletop. So you can see that the items do appear to be new. Let's take a look by starting off with this card. So there is a thank you card from the Powerextra box packaging. And taking a look at the details inside with the support and contact information. So we can set that to the side and continuing to look at the rest of the items. There is a packet here with what appears to be a microfiber cleaning cloth and looks to be in its original packaging whole packet. And so setting that to the side, and of course we do have some accessories over here. What appears to be a packet, and it is recyclable. And let's remove the contents from the packet. And just setting the packet to the side. So this is a USB to micro USB cable. And of course this appears to be for use to connect to the charger so that we can recharge the EN-EL14 rechargeable batteries. And moving right along, there is of course the charger itself. It's nice to see that it is also packaged in a recyclable packet. And let's set that to the side. And there is what appears to be just a protective film covering the screen right there. And of course that's the pull tab. So giving you a look at the condition. And once again, this appears to be new, and you can see there are no marks or prints on the charger itself. So far, just taking a look at the items as we go along with the unboxing. And of course we do have the two EN-EL14 batteries. So taking a look at the first of the two batteries and giving you a look at the packet or inner box right here in blue and yellow. You can see that there is some damage to the box, but nonetheless it doesn't appear to be opened. Let's pop it open and just tip the battery out or contents out, and of course checking through, making sure nothing is left behind in there. we can close that box back up and just setting that to the side. And just let me do some tidying up so there's no distractions for the camcorder, and of course with the viewability of the video as well, just giving you a look. And of course, once again, the clear recyclable plastic packet and the rechargeable battery itself. So giving you a look at the details of this Powerextra EN-EL14 Nikon compatible rechargeable battery. So pulling off the protective plastic cap and taking a close-up look. Okay, so we're just setting that down and moving right along to the final battery, an item from the Powerextra box packaging, and of course actually giving you that look as well to this battery box and tipping out the contents. And let's close the box back up. There's nothing else inside of it. And once again, that recyclable plastic packet, setting that to the side and taking a close-up look at this Powerextra battery. So once again, condition-wise, it does appear to be unmarked. And removing the protective contact cap and giving you a look at the close-up details right there. So just setting that battery down, and of course now giving you a full and clear view of this used like new item. Will come in original packaging, so all the details across the entire video or screen. And of course, let's test it out. So we do have a Nikon D3300 DSLR camera, and it does have the Nikon Micro Nikkor 40mm lens, which I've unboxed on this YouTube channel before, so you can always check out that unboxing. So let's pop in the battery and see if it works. So let's pop the first of the two batteries. So sliding that into the battery compartment and flipping the power switch on, and we can see that it does have full charge displayed on the indicator. And let's give it a few shots, or actually switch to the video screen, and let's see if we can get something in view right there. And of course the aperture needs to be adjusted, but we can see that the battery level is now gone down, so it could do with a bit of recharging, but nonetheless that's just working fine. And let's pop in the other battery as well. So just popping the 2-second Powerextra EN-EL14 battery, and once again we see the full charge indicated on the display. And giving you a look right there. And we can see that the battery capacity or charge has gone down, but nonetheless both seem to be working fine straight out of the box. And of course let's test out the charger as well. So setting the camera back down, and of course undoing the cable tie and unwinding the charging cable. So once again, giving you a look this time round with the cable unwound and giving you a look at the connectors, so USB type A and micro USB connector. So let's just plug it in. Of course, plug it in to the charger first. And plugging the USB type A end into a USB port and giving you a look right there, so we could see that the LCD did illuminate upon plugging in the cable. Now let's plug in the batteries to see if they do charge up. So you can see that the indicator is animated now, showing rising bars across the LCD. So that's an Amazon used like new item, will come in original packaging. Thanks for watching and happy ordering!